The most important part of my experience here at Caz is getting close with the professors and really creating a nice bond between us. Professors really go above and beyond to make sure that their students are receiving the best learning experiences that they can get for their future career. My major is visual communications, graphic design. There's a lot of tedious hours and a lot of creative challenges, but I have been able to create a lot of projects that I'm really proud of because of it. I also have a business management minor because I wanted to better understand consumer behavior and marketing so I could apply it to my own design work. I recently completed my internship here at Cazenovia College in the Office of Communications. I work on a lot of the fashion show promotional material. I've also done a couple of social media graphics and open house signage. This internship has strengthened my skills in branding, and I also have a better understanding of the daily operations that a communications department might go through. One of my best experiences here at Caz was becoming a master's student for Scott Jensen's humorous cartooning class. What I really love about this class is that the fact that I took this humorous cartooning class as my first year seminar, and now that I'm a senior and I'm the master's student, I've been able to really reflect on how much I've changed and how much my design work has changed. My advice to future students is you will only get out what you put into your education. I know that I will be leaving Cazenovia College with the confidence in my education and a network of connections with my peers and professors.